Sports safety. It's another warm summer day, and the local Little League is out at the diamond practicing their baseball drills for the big season approaching. The weather is great with partly cloudy skies and not a worry in the world. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the county to the west, but you think, what are the odds of being struck by lightning? So you keep practicing. The sky turns an ominous green, and the wind begins to howl. All of the kids step out to look at the impinging storm approaching fast. And then, it happened. You're struck by lightning. No matter the sport, someone should always be designated to monitor the weather for lightning. As soon as lightning or thunder is detected, all events should stop. Lightning can strike as far as 10 miles on average from its parent storm. Everybody should move to a safe place and wait at least 30 minutes for the threat to pass. Sports fields usually have metal fencing, tall utility poles, and inadequate dugouts that often increase the risk of a lightning strike. Everyone should get to a well-constructed building with plumbing and a roof. If one is not available, then a hard-topped metal vehicle is your next best bet. And remember, folks, stay safe and don't get twisted.